Hi, I'm Gary with Taylor Adhesives, and today we're going to talk to you about trowel dimensions. If you look in the Taylor catalog on our website or on our app, you will find dimensions for the trowels, and this is how you're going to read those dimensions. Your first dimension is going to give you the width of the notch itself. The second dimension is the depth of the notch, and the third dimension is the spacing between the notches. And what that does is it just helps you identify it. Trowel manufacturers may organize their dimensions in different orders. So what we do is we go the width, the depth, and the spacing. Now you'll have some trowels that will only give you two dimensions. That would be like for a V-notch trowel that comes to a point. That will give you the depth of the notch and then the width of the notch. And by doing that, you'll make certain you get the proper trowel for your installation and you get your warranty in place.